Question number 1. Which country has become the first African country to eliminate onchocerciasis? Option A, Kenya. Option B, Libya. Option C, Algeria. Option D, Niger. Correct answer, option D, Niger. Explanation. Niger has become the first African country to eliminate onchocerciasis or river blindness. It joins Colombia, Ecuador, Mexico, and Guatemala as WHO verified onchocerciasis-free nations. Onchocerciasis is a parasitic disease affecting the eyes and skin, causing severe disability. It leads to disfiguring skin conditions, vision loss, and permanent blindness in severe cases. The disease has severely impacted livelihoods for decades. Over 99% of cases still occur in 31 African countries. Question number 2. World Wetlands Day is celebrated on which day every year? Option A, 1st February. Option B, 2nd February. Option C, 3rd February. Option D, 4th February. Correct answer, option B, 2nd February. Explanation. World Wetlands Day is celebrated on the 2nd of February every year. India added 4 new Ramsar sites on World Wetlands Day, February 2nd. The total number of Ramsar sites in India has now reached 89. The new sites include Sakkarakottai and Thearthangal bird sanctuaries in Tamil Nadu, Kechapalli wetland in Sikkim, and Udwa Lake in Jharkhand. Sikkim and Jharkhand have received their first ever Ramsar sites. Wetlands support diverse aquatic life and play a crucial role in the ecosystem. Question number 3. Which country is the host of the 9th Asian Winter Games? Option A, China. Option B, India. Option C, Indonesia. Option D, Malaysia. Correct answer, option A, China. Explanation. For the first time, India is fully funding its contingent for the Asian Winter Games under the Assistance to National Sports Federations scheme. The 9th Asian Winter Games will be held in Harbin, China from the 7th to the 14th of February 2025. An 88-member Indian contingent, including 59 athletes and 29 officials, will compete. Athletes in alpine skiing, cross-country skiing, figure skating, short track speed skating, and speed skating, long track, will receive financial support. The Assistance to National Sports Federations scheme funds athlete training, foreign coaches, and support staff for international events. Question number 4. The elusive rusty spotted cat was recently spotted in which state? Option A, Andhra Pradesh. Option B, Uttarakhand. Option C, West Bengal. Option D, Assam. Correct answer, option C, West Bengal. Explanation. The elusive rusty spotted cat was recently spotted in the jungles of West Bengal's Purulia district for the first time. It is the world's smallest and lightest cat, weighing less than 1.5 kilograms. Scientifically known as Prionilurus rubiginosus, it features a fawn-gray coat with rusty spots, a short rounded head with white streaks by the eyes, and a moderately long, unmarked, rusty tail. Its large eyes aid its nocturnal habits, while short legs and black-soled feet enhance agility. India holds 80% of its population, and it is listed as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Question number 5. What is the primary objective of the Bharatiya Bhasha Pustak scheme? Option A, promoting English language learning. Option B, encouraging foreign language education. Option C, establishing new universities. Option D, providing digital textbooks in Indian languages. Correct answer, option D, providing digital textbooks in Indian languages. Explanation. The Union Budget 2025-26 introduced the Bharatiya Bhasha Pustak scheme to provide digital textbooks in Indian languages. It aims to make learning more accessible for students in schools and universities. The scheme will offer study materials in multiple regional languages to support diverse linguistic backgrounds. It seeks to bridge the gap in educational resources for students across India. This initiative complements the ASMITA, augmenting study materials in Indian languages through translation and academic writing program, which focuses on translating and developing academic content in Indian languages.